What if I told you your body can beat the fastest animal on earth? No workouts, no warm-up, just a normal sneeze your body does without asking you. A cheetah, the fastest land animal, can sprint at around 70 miles per hour. But when you sneeze, air blasts out of your nose at over 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the road, and it happens so fast, your brain barely even notices it. In that split second, tiny droplets travel forward at extreme speed. That's why sneezes spread so far. So yeah, your body casually breaks speed records every day. If you're fascinated by cool facts like this, follow for more.